When you're ready to read with your pupil for your weekly session, go to app.chapter1.org and sign into the application. The first screen you'll see is the Reading Volunteer home screen. This is where you will start your session. From the home screen, you can view your pupil's name and the day and time of your session. If you have 2 children assigned to you, you can select the correct student for the session by clicking on the Select Student drop-down list. To begin, click on Start Classroom Session. This will prompt the system to locate the classroom computer and generate a phone number. Remember that our platform uses a voice audio connection for you to talk to your child. There is no video. If you attempt to start a session earlier than your assigned time, you will get a prompt that reminds you the session has not yet started. You may begin your session early if there is not another session already in progress. Before starting a session early, please check the calendar. The system only allows for 1 volunteer to be connected to the classroom computer at a time. If there is a session in progress, a pop-up message will ask you to try again in 3 minutes. Click Yes if you would like to start your session early. As the system generates the phone number, notice the information on the right side of the screen. This information includes the school name, the teacher name, also known as the classroom, your pupil's gender, and your pupil's reading level. This information is always available during a session by clicking on the Child Info link at the top of each screen. Once the classroom computer is identified, you will see on screen a phone number generated for you to call for your session. Please do not save this number. A new number will be generated for your next session. If the phone number does not appear, there may be an issue with the classroom computer and you should contact chat support for assistance. Our chat support agents are real people who can solve most issues quickly. As you wait for the system to provide you with a phone number, you always have the option to either contact chat support or restart the session. Once the number is available, use your mobile, office or landline phone and call the phone number you see on the screen. Please note that the platform does not call the class laptop directly. You need to use a different device to establish the audio connection. The call will be answered by the classroom phone greeter, who will talk to you through a headset. Remember, there's no video. Give the greeter the name of your student. The greeter should locate the pupil, who will then sit down at the laptop and put on a headset. If your pupil is present, click Pupil Available, click to launch activities. If your pupil is not available, click Phone Answered but Student Unavailable. This will automatically generate a report to let us know your student was not present for the session. You will also get a prompt to reschedule your session. If you try to call the class but the phone is not answered, we recommend you either contact chat support or click here to restart. Please give it a few minutes before you try again. The class might be late returning from another activity. Classroom life can be noisy and busy, and unexpected things can crop up. After you click Pupil Available, click to launch activities, the platform will display the pupil's activity level and story level. You may move these levels up or down as needed at any time throughout your session by clicking on the pencil icon in the yellow box in the purple banner. Activity and story levels are explained in more detail in the Building Confident Readers training. Click the Go to Flashcards button to proceed. Flashcards are a great way to get your pupils' reading sessions started. We will be covering all the details about Chapter 1 activities, how to use them, and effective ways of structuring your reading session in the second training you've booked, Building Confident Readers.